afternoon, dear students. How are you? I wish you are safe and sound. We are going to start a new class of 9 and 10. We will discuss about sentence according to your meaning today. Dear students, sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought of the speaker. Dear students, according to your meaning, its meaning, sentence are 5 kinds. Sentence, I am writing the sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought of the speaker. For example, Rohim is a student of class 9. Dear students, Rohim is a student of class 9. Here we can find the complete meaning of this sentence. Rohim is a student of class 9. That means রহিম নবম শ্রেণীর একজন ছাত্র। আমরা এখানে দেখতে পাই যে এই বাক্য এই শব্দগুলো দ্বারা একটি বক্তার সম্পূর্ণ অর্থ প্রকাশিত হয়েছে, তার মনের যে ভাবটা সেটা সম্পূর্ণরূপে প্রকাশিত হয়েছে। আমরা এখন বলতে পারি যে বাক্য সেন্টেন্স বা অর্থাৎ বাক্য বলতে আমরা বুঝি যে শব্দ সমষ্টি দ্বারা বক্তার মনের ভাব সম্পূর্ণরূপে প্রকাশ পায়, সেটি হলো সেন্টেন্স বা বাক্য। আমরা এখন এর শ্রেণীবিভাগ দেখব। I want to mention one thing. A sentence have a subject and a verb. According to its meaning, sentence are 5 kinds. They are number 1, assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative. Number 3, imperative. Number 4, optative. And number 5, exclamatory. According to its meaning, there are 5 kinds of sentence, that is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence, that means বিবৃতিমূলক বাক্য. Assertive sentence means বিবৃতিমূলক বাক্য. Assertive sentence is a sentence that describes the happening and describes something about any person, anything. For example, the students play football at the school ground. The students play football in the school ground. Here the students is a subject and play is a verb and etc. Then number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, I want to say that interrogative sentence starts with a WH word or an auxiliary verb. Interrogative sentence expresses a question about something, about somebody, that is, if I say that, who are you? And we can see that this sentence starts with a WH word and ends with a note of interrogation. That means জিজ্ঞাসা প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন. So we can say that interrogative sentence is a sentence that expresses our questions about something, somebody and anything. Now we will discuss about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses our advice, request, etc. That is, when we advise somebody or request for something, then we mention imperative sentence. For example, do not run in the sun. Do not run in the sun. Here we want to mention that imperative sentence starts with a verb, and here in many cases subject is not mentioned. We can say that you do not run in the sun. In the first sentence 1, you is not mentioned. In imperative sentence, not every cases, in many cases, in many time, subject is not mentioned. We can only understood. Now we will discuss about optative sentence. Optative sentence mention our wishes and worships for something, for somebody, to the God. For example, I wish if I were a king. Here I wish means আমি আশা করি. I wish if I were a king. Here is my wishes is expressed through this sentence. Another sentence can be written if I were a rich man, I can help the poor. Now we will discuss about the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses our recent emotions, high emotions. That is exclamatory sentence. When we hear or say about some emotional things, happenings, or events, that then we use exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences usually it starts with a WH word and ends with a auxiliary verb and a exclamation, note of exclamation. I am writing a sentence of exclamatory sentence. How beautiful the flower is. Here we can see that the sentence started with a WH word, that is how. How beautiful the flower is, and ends with a auxiliary verb, that is and a note of exclamation. So dear students, I have tried to discuss about sentence according to its meaning. If you understood the discussion, then I will thankful to you. I wish you will be helpful through this class. This is my third class. So thank you all for watching my class. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you and goodbye.